Hello, I'm Emre. I've been a Binance affiliate for 7 years. I have codes that work. For years, I've been explaining how to buy and sell crypto on websites in many languages or the innovations from crypto exchanges. I'm a web worker who can guide you on various ways to earn money online. Let me explain the available options. To start off, I'd like to mention that Binance and other exchange referral codes hold significant value and benefits. A big sector, knowledgeable traders, and those trading large volumes generally need stable, working. Use codes that are permanent and offer lifelong discounts on commissions that will never expire. What are these codes for? For example, you entered Binance. You deposited funds into Binance Global. Then you bought USDC or USDT. You're going to make a trade in one cryptocurrency. You executed one transaction, you bought it. Then you bought at a low price and sold at a high price, for instance. You pay a commission to the exchange when you sell. This is where the referral code comes in. When you buy and sell, right when you sell, from the commission fee you paid, you can get back 10% or 20%. With leverage trades, this unfortunately doesn't exceed 10%. But in spot trades, 20%. Obtain a 20% rebate on your commission purchase within the specified time frame. This is what the referral code is for, everyone. What should you look out for when getting these referral codes? On social media, YouTube, Google, everywhere. You see them. The highest discount code is with my referral code. This is the best code. Take this code, take that code, get this much bonus, get this much gift. You might see things like that. Previously, information about whether the code worked, people couldn't find. But now, when entering the exchange, as demonstrated in the video, here you can see the code's owner. You can observe the code itself and analyze it further. Upon reviewing this code, you can confidently sign up for your Binance account. Create your account with peace of mind. In spot, it varies by influencer or affiliate. Tier. For example, since I've been an affiliate for 7 years, I can offer you the highest commission discount codes. 20% in spot and 10% in leverage. You can utilize these resources. Conversely, as we delve into the process of executing a purchase or sale transaction, don't be intimidated by the colors and numbers on this page. Sorry. A crypto trader. Yes, don't let these colors intimidate you. On mobile and the website, it's actually a very simple screen. I'll show you in the video now. What you see in this part is the current market price. The green entries indicate buy orders, while the red ones are sell orders. For example, from here, let's select any coin, then let's say buy. Let's say this coin is $1. We bought it for $1. In order for us to gain profit, we require its value to increase. Suppose it reaches the price of $4. When it reaches $4 here, we can sell it by entering the amount here. The important thing here is this: entering the right crypto, the right project. Millions in the industry can already do this. Initially, on the sign-up page, verify the authenticity of the referral code. During this stage, what you witnessed is my identifier. This specific set of characters represents my unique code. This code is 100% functional. I've been an affiliate for 7 years, working with Binance Global. It's about trust, seeing that code there. If you find a different code on social media or elsewhere and input it there. If the code is valid and functional, feel free to utilize it. In the case of it being fraudulent or expired, refrain from using it. There. You might notice that the code is invalid and may not be displayed. Please proceed to fill out the form provided next for assistance. Provide the required details. This could be a Google account or an Apple account. Alternatively, you can sign up using your email. Following this step, you'll get an email. You can enter the confirmation code from the email. After that, you need to do KYC verification. What is KYC verification? To confirm ownership of the account to the exchange, you provide your passport, proof of address, and ID stating, "These documents belong to me." Please submit these documents for processing now. After taking your phone and completing the biometric verification, your account will be ready. So in 3 minutes, or even in 1 minute, you can open an account on Binance Global. Then, depending on your country, this varies. According to your country's cryptocurrency regulations, whatever the most suitable method is, using those tools, you need to deposit funds into Binance Global. Avoid illegal methods. Completing the deposit process is a simple task that can be done easily. Everyone has a debit card in their pocket. Easily, by clicking the deposit section, you have the option to choose one of the simplest methods available to you. This may involve a bank transfer, or you can opt to conveniently use your credit card without any hassle. The process is like this. You can carry out this transaction here. In addition, you overhear the name of a coin. You start wondering about the process of purchasing that particular coin. This is the coin page. Upon arriving here, you might encounter confusing elements. However, the cleanest, most direct and easiest method is this. You access this section. Next, you can choose from the available trading pairs for your selection. In the search bar, type the name of the coin you're looking for and then select its pair with USDT, USDC, or any other coin with which trading pair you intend to buy or sell. You can go to the relevant coins page. Don't be scared on this page. It's the same on mobile. It's the same on desktop computers and identical when viewed on a tablet. Greens are buy orders, reds are sell orders, the middle one is the current price. Furthermore, at the bottom, you'll find options for buying and selling. You can use this area to sell or buy. But, as I said at the beginning of the video, if you use the correct referral code, with this code, you can easily receive commission refunds. Now, consider this scenario. You made a buy-sell transaction of $1,000 and the exchange charged you a commission. Of this deducted commission, you receive a 20% refund. If you utilized my referral code, it comprises 32 characters. If you utilize the code from a robust affiliate partner, you are receiving this reimbursement. Obtaining cash back from a trade worth $1,000 may not yield a particularly satisfying return in the beginning. As you get better at trading in crypto, you can make 30, 40, 50, 60, or even 100 trades daily. When you make 100 trades for every 100 trades, paying a commission fee and receiving a 20% refund on it can significantly increase your total earnings, making it a profitable investment in the long run. You can see it if you calculate. Yes, in today's video, how to use the Binance Global referral code, how to open an account, how to complete KYC verification, how to deposit money. What is the process of trading? I have provided that information. I have clarified the function of a referral code. This series will continue. I'll return soon with plenty of new videos. But as I say in every video, please avoid social media channels of unknown origin, influencers, or those who appear to be leaders, accounts with 100, 200, 300,000 followers. Avoid people giving investment advice. Endeavor to avoid watching them. Try analyzing the text on your own, everyone, and share your thoughts. Go to CoinMarketCap or Binance's Academy, look up the terms there. What is FOMO? What is FUD? Learn these. Learn them, you can learn these. These resources are free. When you buy a course or take a training, the person giving the training will explain these to you just like in the video. All the information is there. Go and acquire the knowledge. Beyond that, beware of fraudsters and be cautious. Fake websites, fake URLs, website extensions, social media extensions, stay away. Distance yourself from accounts that promise effortless financial gains. There's a saying, easy money is only in a mousetrap. You know this. And as I conclude the video, Binance Global's official, you can follow social media channels. This way, you can quickly get the most accurate info on Binance's innovations, or when there's misinformation or a new announcement from Binance's official channel. You can get it. Thank you very much for watching. Sincerely, Emre Ata.